Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign a PDF with digital signature in Adobe Sign. So let's go straight into it. Now if you have a PDF file saved on your computer and want to sign it using a physical smart token, just open the document. So at the top here, create, and then select file from your computer. Then access the tools. So I have it on the left side here. And what we need to do is head over here to the where it is now, user certificate, and click on that. Now click on digitally sign, click on that. Click on that, and now we will see here this window here, which is basically that we need to select the area, drag the box through this area where we select the signature. So let's select this one here. Now, as you can see, it's more like a violet box. So what we are going to do now is select here sign document. Now here will pop up the window, sign with a digital ID. Here you will select your digital signature. And when you do that, click the continue button right here. Now what we can do here is to adjust a little bit if we want. So um, we can show what we want. Labels, location, and so on. We can play a little bit with that. And yeah, when we are happy with that, just create, save here, then review, go through here if you something see, and then sign. Also save to your computer, and just like that we will have here signed with digital signature. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.